The eagle looked down on the river below, and he wrapped his wings around him and it felt like a stone. And the big salmon fought, but the talons held true. He shuddered as the world turned from silver to blue. I stood there in awe, though I seen it before. I was born in these mountains, I'll die here for sure. I've traveled around, I've seen city lights, but nothing that shine like the big sky at night. Some mornings will find me up above the timberline. Lonesome don't seem like much once you're this high. Now when it's all said and done, I usually find me and the eagle are of the same mind. Now when I was young, I took me a wife, but she never took to the high country life. So now I'm alone, I don't really mind. Her name echoes down from the canyon sometimes. Some mornings I find me up above the timberline. Lonesome don't seem like much once you're this high. But when it's all said and done, I usually find that me and the eagle are of the same mind. Stands 18 hands high. He's as white as the snow and there's fire in his eyes. And he'll bear only me, though others have tried. And together we'll travel up across the divide. Some mornings will find us up above the timberline. Lonesome don't seem like much once you're this high.